Welcome back, Grizzlies. Today we are going to look at a brand new ebook that we have put into Mac and Via for you. Just a reminder, if you need help with Mac and Via, you can go on the school website to our library page. There's information there. You can check your Google Classroom, or of course, feel free to stop by the library at any time and we'll help you out. But today we're going to look at cracking codes with Python. Okay. It's an introduction to building and breaking ciphers. So the first question may be, well, what's a cipher? A cipher is an algorithm that's used to create and send secret messages. So in this ebook, you can learn how to program in Python, Python 3, at the same time that you're learning how to make and break ciphers. The ebook has some special hot links in it to some sample code, some starter code that you're not going to find in the physical book. So I highly encourage you to check out this ebook, especially if you're in the code pathway and you're taking computer science essentials. Okay, so come on by, check it out, and we'll see you again next time.